Hello again, traders, and welcome back to the Pro Trader Network. Rick here, and this is our weekly market analysis for the week ending April 30th, 2017. And did we get a surprise at the open last Sunday? The results of the first round of the French election caused the markets to gap up a couple of hundred pips on these euro crosses. And a lot of you emailed me asking, well, so much for your analysis. What do we do now? Well, we simply start again. There's no reason to freak out or panic because there's nothing we can do about it. And when we perform our weekly analysis, we're simply trading what we see. After the open, we do the same. We have to regroup and trade what we see. You can see here I have my 4-hour charts up. Let's take a look at how the week ended. Here's the euro dollar 4-hour chart. You can see the gap. We still haven't filled it. The market tends to like to come back down and fill these gaps. Maybe that'll happen this week. We don't know. But we're kind of moving sideways right now on the euro dollar. We have a little bit nicer setup here on the euro yen. You can see we've created a double top with bearish divergence, market baseline well into the extreme here. So will this rollover continue? Look, we haven't filled this gap either. As a matter of fact, the market continued to rally to create new structure highs. Let's look at the euro CAD. Bearish divergence, new structure high late on Friday. Bearish divergence and market baseline well into the extreme. This divergence goes back, if you remember our analysis last week, right here on this wave, and then we had the gap up that still hasn't been filled. Let's look at the euro Aussie. Same thing happening here. Late Friday we had a sell-off. Price was moving up, oscillator moving down, market baseline well into the extreme. We haven't broken structure here right around the 145.30s. If we break below and close below, we'll come back here and retest this zone and then maybe fill this gap. We'll see. Here's the euro Kiwi. I'll do the euros first. Same situation. Price moving up, oscillator moving down, market baseline well into the extreme. So we'll be looking for the euro to get short based on what we see. Let's look at the pound crosses. Here we had our pennant from the week before. This is Theresa May announcing the special election or election in June in the UK, and we had a pennant formation, and then we rallied to create a new structure high, and then we created bearish divergence, price moving up, oscillator moving down, market baseline moving out of the extreme, but we're still currently overbought. Here's the pound yen, market moving up, oscillator moving down, market baseline in the extreme, looking for a reversal candle pattern here and then an entry on our smaller time frames. Pound CAD, same situation, market baseline still into the extreme. Pound Aussie, we had an ABCD completion, not perfect, and then we had massive bearish divergence from a week ago, and then bearish divergence at the end of the week. You can see that here in our market baseline still hovering around the extreme. Beginning to roll over, but a little slow price action on Friday, so no commitment for a big sell-off there. We'll be looking for that. And then the pound Kiwi, similar scenario where we have price moving up, oscillator moving down, market baseline in the extreme. So poised here for some corrections on these massive rallies on the pound and the gap in the euro. One more thing I'm looking at here is the Kiwi Dollar. We are near extreme oversold, and we've not quite made a double bottom here, but I'm just following this sideways price action that occurred later in the week, looking for this market baseline to come down in the extreme and create some bullish divergence, maybe even retest this low. So that's what I'm looking at on our 4-hour charts at this week's open. And if that scenario changes, it's very simple. We just trade what we see and regroup and recalibrate our analysis. Thanks for spending time here at the Pro Trader Network, traders. As always, let's stay focused, follow our rules, and I'll see you next time.